set up 9 pass and everything was to make a step and the men's figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People ask.
Welcome guys, Creambot back again with another reaction video. Today we're gonna check out Stormzy Disappointed. This is the Wally diss track and we're gonna see Stormzy version. To begin now. Man, is this man drinking tea, bruh? Is this the dude drinking tea? Come on.
Yo, I came to your show and moved to your brother in front of your dad. Your old man just stood there pissed. I said, Pops, why you look so sad? Should've known better. You know I had to show you little brother I'm harder. Should've known better. Then you put me out on stage right after. You fucking prick, going back your bro because you suck my dick about suck your mum. I soon bust your lip, we don't say them things. I look cut the shit.
What the hell? Shit! What the? Yo, Stormzy, this is the man wicked.
Pops, why you look so sad? Should've known better. You know I had to show you little brother I'm harder. Should've known better. Then you put me out on stage right after. You fucking prick, going back your bro because you suck my dick about suck your mum. I soon bust your lip, we don't say them things. I look cut the shit, it's all jokes on Twitter, all jokes on Twitter. Do you say the wrong thing, that was smoke from Twitter. And the man them are pulling out your coat from Twitter like crack man stole with the coat goes quicker. You crackhead cunt, don't know no killers, don't mention Jay cause you ain't no jigger. Mention my name for the clout, go figure. Know them niggas from the south so rilla. I Wiley's a prick, I love talk shit, then he sobers up and then begs it. I'm so big that the only thing
Oh, I say, Walsy sing him shit, talk him shit, and behind the scenes, him my big friends. Okay?
Then me last year was Brexit. I can't tweet, I'm too reckless. I'm too big to see breakfast. Free smoke, so come get this. Disrespect, we don't get this. The old man's got a death wish. Old man, you'll regret this. Alright then, challenge accepted. Smoking sight from the brothers I slept with. Wiley, lay off the crack, I don't like that. Online talking smack, I don't like that. You told me suck your mum, I don't like that. See when I slap your face, you best fight back. Heavy is the head out now, so go buy that. They say that I'm pop, I don't mind that. All you pussy boys should say thank you. True say I'm the one who put grind back. The boys just way too anointed. And I'm not mad, I'm disappointed. Cause your first stop's going in the toilet. But there's more to come, I won't spoil it. Still got smoke for your V-neck star.
Oh, more to come.
Your dad watched your bro get G-checked. Bitch waiting, whole fam full of rejects. Where was you when your little bro was moving nervous? You told me he deserved it. No respect for you, you ain't earned it. I'm Big Mike and I sing and rhyme. They hate when I sing, but give them time. Number one in this thing of mine, and that's what makes me the king of grime. So,
oh, you're the man say, man, the king of grime, youth. I don't really know like who's really the king of grime, see, but Stormzy, knows the Stormzy up on top still, isn't he? But I really like the flow in this one, but the flow was just chill, cool, bruh. And I don't know the real story of the beef, like who started it, what's going on, but Stormzy say him offend shots on Twitter and stuff there. So I don't really know if that's true or what. You guys like who live in London are gonna let me know. But I don't know because I didn't even know that a beef was going on, bro. Honest to God. You see me? But I really like this flow. I really like the Stormzy flow in this. And just guys, dude, if the voice, if the Stormzy have that type of voice with a sound cool, his voice sound cool. You get me? Honest to God. And when you have a cool voice, it make any song sound good, bro. Honest to God to me. But them never got too hard like on this track. Them never got too like grimy. So probably it's not a warm up. Probably if it get like further, it'll get extra grime. Cause this is like a little play, like a little touch, a little taste of what to come. Yeah, so the two of them not too rough, but very, you know? Yeah. So anyway guys, this is the narration video. Peace out.